it's Miss Bache here at Winton Primary. I'm sure you're all keeping nice and busy at home, but I've got something lovely for you to do. Okay, I thought it'd be really nice if you made an Easter card for someone special that you're thinking about at the moment. So maybe you could make it and give it to someone that you're at home with, or a special friend that you're thinking about, or maybe someone in your family that you're missing at the moment and you thought that you could make an Easter card for, okay? The Easter card will look like this once it's finished. Okay, so the things that you need to make it, I've got in front of me. You need a piece of A4 card, you need a pencil, a black pen, you need some paint, so you need one dark colour and you need lots of other colours. You also need a toilet roll holder and you need lots of bits and bobs. Okay, so you might have some buttons, you might have some pom-poms, you might have some sequins or beads at home. And you also need some water and a paintbrush and some glue. Okay? Okay, I'm going to start now. The first thing you need to do is you need to take your piece of white card and you need to fold it in half. Make sure the corners meet and press hard. Okay, once you've folded it, check that your fold is down the left-hand side of the page. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is draw your egg on the front of your card. I'm going to make sure it's nice and large, filling the whole of my page. Now I'm going to go over my pencil line with a black line, really carefully making sure that I'm covering the pencil line that I've just drawn. Okay, once you've done that, now what you need to do is you need to take your toilet roll and put it in the paint. Make sure you've got paint covering the whole of the rim so that you can print nice and clear circles. So push down. And it should look like that. Okay, you need to leave that to dry on the side, and this is one I have made earlier. Okay, now we're going to decorate our egg. So we're going to do this by painting. If you don't have any paints at home, that's okay. You could use colouring pencils or you could use colouring pens. Okay, the first thing you need to do is dip your brush in water and then take some colour and start painting. Okay, so keep going until you have painted your egg. And once you have finished, leave that to dry. And here is one I've made earlier, okay? Now what you need to do is you need to decorate your egg with all those bits and bobs that you've got at home. So I'm going to use some pom-poms, I think, today. I'm going to put my glue on first and then stick on my pom-poms. If you don't have PVA glue at home, that's okay, you could use a Pritt stick. And this is what your card will look like once you've finished, everybody. Okay, you can email all your pictures of your lovely cards to the email address below, and I look forward to seeing them. Bye!